Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install Davinci Resolve 18 on Windows. Just go ahead and go to the official website of the Davinci Resolve. And if you want to download it, what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead and scroll a little bit down. Scroll a little bit down. It's lagging, but hold on for a few moments. Scroll a little bit down. Scroll. I think you're going to find how to download it. If you didn't, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and basically download right, Davinci, right? And then basically right here you're gonna be able to type it on Google, right? Download Davinci. Right here, go ahead and click down Davinci. Basically you're gonna be able to download it from the official website, and right here you're gonna be able to see the Davinci Resolve. Right here, click on it. Basically choose the device that you're now using. If you're using Windows, just go ahead and hit Windows, and then basically you're gonna be able to add your details, right? And after you've added your details, go ahead and register and download, and then follow the prompts. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.